right? This problem says Katie wants to collect over 100 seashells. She already has 34 in her collection. Each day, she finds 11 more seashells on the beach. So let's pull out what we know, right? So she wants over 100. She has 34, and she finds 11 per day. So if she wants over 100, that means that she's going to want greater than 100. She has 34, so that's our starting amount. And then she finds 11 per day. So she starts out with 34, and then she's going to add 11 per day. So per day would be our variable. So now you're going to take this and you're going to set these three numbers up into the inequality. Once you set up the inequality, you're going to go ahead and solve it, and then you need to answer question 7b. So 7b says, after collecting seashells, on which day would Katie have more than 100? So when you solve your inequality, you are picking the correct solution set that would make the inequality true. So when you solve this, you're going to get x is greater than 6. So you're telling me which number in your answer choices is greater than 6.